Nice drone. What is this drone?
This is a Mavic Air, which is not my current, the one I own, the DJI drone. So Mavic Air drone, this model was actually passed to me by Camera Rental Center, which is based in Singapore. They were very kind to let me use their equipment, and Mavic Air is actually an upgraded version of my little DJI Spark drone, and this one has much longer battery life. Videos are amazing, and the pictures are just to die for. I just shot a video drone on Anse Mouche. Look at this, there is no one. There are a few advantages of renting out equipment instead of buying. The first reason is obviously the cost of any camera equipment. Before you make up your mind on a certain model, you can at least try and see which one you prefer. The second reason is the luxury of being able to try and choose as many models as you want before actually committing to buy it. The third reason is that for any digital equipment, it becomes obsolete very fast, and you can rent the latest model for a very small fraction of the price compared to if you get it new. Last but not least, Camera Rental Center staff was so helpful in guiding me to choose the drone that I needed for my vacation, and they were also 24/7 available for my questions despite the time difference. So a big thank you to Camera Rental Center again. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!